Upgrade your kitchen game with the Creuset Enameled Cast Iron Signature Braiser. This 35-quart flame beauty isn't just a pot. It's a culinary powerhouse. Its enameled cast iron provides superior heat distribution and retention, meaning perfectly cooked meals every time. No seasoning needed. Just unpack and start creating delicious dishes. The easy-to-clean enamel resists staining and chipping, ensuring years of reliable use. And with its light-colored interior, you can easily monitor your cooking progress. The tight-fitting lid circulates steam, keeping your food moist and flavorful. Plus, it's the lightest weight cast iron by quart on the market, making it easy to handle and lift. Imagine the possibilities: succulent roasts, hearty stews, even impressive family gatherings. This braiser is built to last and designed to enhance your culinary journey. Ready to experience the difference? Visit our product page now.